I'm Dr. Venus. I am going to show you how you can make your very own hand sanitizer. Before I start, I need to offer this short disclaimer. The information I am providing here is neither intended nor implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice. It is for educational purposes only. So watching or listening or using the information here does not constitute a doctor-patient relationship. Now you only really need 2 ingredients. That's aloe vera gel, 1/3 a cup of aloe vera gel, and then 2/3 a cup of 91% isopropyl alcohol. Now if you can find something greater like 99.9% alcohol, great. You can definitely use that as well. The reason the percentage of alcohol content is important is because the CDC recommendations for hand sanitizer is to have at least a 60% or greater alcohol content. So if you're using the ingredients at the exact measurements that I am giving you, then you're going to hit the 60% with the 91% alcohol at 2/3 a cup and the aloe vera gel at 1/3 a cup. Now, if you want to be extra safe, my extra special tip for you is to add a couple extra teaspoonfuls of isopropyl alcohol to this mixture. And that's what it is. That's all you have to do. You just have to add the isopropyl alcohol to the aloe vera gel. You mix it up. And there you have it. You have your very own hand sanitizer. I have a few extra tips for you. Regarding aloe vera gel, if you're not sure where to find aloe vera gel, try heading to the section of the store where they sell sunscreen lotion, because aloe vera gel is often used to help with relief of sunburn. And another recommendation I have, try to use a 100% pure aloe vera gel, because oftentimes there are extra dyes and chemicals put in aloe vera gel that is sold commercially. And who wants that extra stuff on your skin, especially when you're going to be using it frequently as a hand sanitizer? So if you find an aloe vera gel that is green, most likely the aloe vera gel is not pure 100% aloe vera. It likely has various dyes and chemicals in it to give it that green color. So first off, look for clear aloe vera gel. Now another tip I have for you is to add a bit of scent to your hand sanitizer. Perhaps you don't want it as strong of an alcohol smell in your hand sanitizer. And the way you can add some scent is to use an essential oil, perhaps 5 to 8 drops of essential oil that you can add. But what essential oil should you use? Well, my recommendation is to try something like lemon, orange, oregano, or even thyme. Why? Because these 4 essential oils have actually been shown in some studies to have activity against bacteria. And if you can get a little extra antimicrobial activity in your hand sanitizer, why not? I always say, why not add it in if it's not going to add significant harm in any way? As far as harm goes, actually, there is one little caveat here. With regard to an essential oil, you need to make sure that you're not adding something that someone could be allergic to if you're planning on sharing this with other people. So if you're using something like orange or lemon, there are some people out there, while it may be rare, who have a citrus allergy. So be sure that if you're sharing it with anyone, you let them know what you actually put in the hand sanitizer. And as an extra precaution, I always recommend that when you're using the hand sanitizer, that you apply a small amount to a small area on your skin, just to test it out, to make sure that you yourself are not sensitive or reacting to it in any way. Look for any redness, burning, a rash, or even any respiratory symptoms that might develop because of it. And that's it. All you need to make hand sanitizer at home. Once you're done mixing it all together, you just put it into a spray bottle or a pump container of some kind, and be sure to label it, of course, because you don't want someone to mistakenly use it for a different purpose. Hope this has been helpful. Stay fit, be happy.